everyone, this video will introduce RDDC's AI tool, the Pathogenicity Predictor. In the field of life sciences, the study of the association between gene mutation sites and diseases has always been one of the core topics. However, the exponential growth of mutation data has made traditional methods for determining pathogenicity inefficient and often inaccurate. This makes it increasingly difficult to meet the demands of scientific research and clinical practice. Today, we introduce an AI tool that predicts the likelihood of a mutation causing disease, based on the input of gene mutation sites. First, our tool offers 4 flexible ways to input your data. You can directly paste standard mutation names, manually enter mutation details, or provide information based on protein or transcript information. We will now use the paste input method. Simply paste the content, such as SOD1, C.335G to T, into the input box. In this case, SOD1 is the gene name, and C.335G to T following the column indicates the gene mutation. Specifically, it means that at position 335 of the transcript, the G base has mutated to a T base. After filling in the mutation information, click on the blank space or press the Enter key, and the system will automatically parse the mutation site before and after the mutation. The system will automatically display the most common transcripts for this gene. If needed, you can also select other specific transcripts. To better understand the mutation's location within the gene structure, you can click the Unfold Diagram button for a visual representation. If you wish to also perform RNA splicing prediction for the entered mutations, simply check the corresponding box before clicking Submit. This tool allows for the simultaneous prediction of multiple mutations. To add more mutations, click Add a Mutant and repeat the previous steps. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all the input information, simply click Submit. After submitting, you'll need to wait for a while for the AI model to perform the prediction. This is the result page. Based on the analysis by our database and the AI model, this mutation site is predicted to be potentially pathogenic. The probability score is 0.6321. This means that the probability of this mutation site being pathogenic is 63.21%. You can also click the Details View button to view the mutation's location and related information in a more intuitive way. That concludes our tutorial on using the Pathogenicity Predictor. We encourage you to try it out and provide your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching.